Who was y'all three? I paid for my stuff.
See, have a seat or put your handcuffs.
What you see in my bag for?
Here go, I paid for this.
I'm not giving you my bag.
Give me the bag.
First of all, cooperate with the police right now.
We on vacation. Like, I really apologize on behalf of my kids.
Alright, if you guys have been following my channel for quite some time, you know that occasionally I love to dib and dab into police body cam videos because it's my guilty pleasure. And if I am entertained by it, then I think probably you will be as well. So let's watch it together. It is wash hair day, so my hair's like a little bit crusty, so ignore that. So in today's police body cam video, this is of 4 women who decided to go to Walmart and shoplift, because that's always smart. Walmart has more cameras than the government, okay? Like, don't do it. I don't like to stereotype or judge a book by its cover, but you saw the intro. You saw the hair. Yeah. The Rainbow Coalition. They decided that they were going to steal from Walmart, and Walmart said,
"Not today. Not today."
So let's just get right into this reaction video. Sit back, relax, and get ready to laugh.
In Humble, Texas, law enforcement officers were summoned to the local Walmart in response to a reported theft in progress. Asset protection agents on the ground observed 4 female shoplifting suspects concealing items within a purse. The police made contact with asset protection in the command and control center and proceeded to await the suspect's departure from the store.
This should be good.
Who are y'all bringing in?
The turquoise for sure, the dark blue one, and then the brown one for sure. So I'm giving her the stuff from electronics.
Just not the red.
Yeah, the red one actually paid for her stuff.
Look at that. They got like 10 TVs. They're watching you.
$46, 2 rings.
So this is the bag that has everything in it?
Yeah, her, and her. The reference only one that's paid for her item.
So she's wearing the thing that
Yeah.
she took.
And then
Does she have stuff
the one that she put on is that gray one that she has her holding, and that's not paid for either.
What, the bodysuit thing?
Red,
It's like a
blue,
cardigan, like,
and I want to say aqua.
It's just like down just gray.
And where is that?
The turquoise girl's holding it in her arm, but she took it off the hanger and put it on her.
Oh, okay.
I think her part's going through. Almost Antoine. Almost Antoine.
I'm telling you, self-checkouts have been a disaster when it comes to theft. Just get rid of them. Like 90% of thefts happen from the self-checkout. People are thieves.
Who was y'all three?
Run there and see.
For what? We're gonna talk about the unpaid merchandise. I paid for all my stuff.
Have a seat.
The unpaid merchandise. You can see
I paid for my stuff.
See, have a seat or put your handcuffs. You
That's
too.
my daughter, so I have to.
Oh, that's her daughter?
That's my daughter. She's under age 17. I have to do it.
Great parenting. I love that. I pay for my stuff. Yeah, you mean like 2 things? Out of 50?
Have a seat.
Here go my payment for my phone.
In the back.
What you see in my bag for?
Here go, I paid for this.
I'm not giving you my bag.
And my
Yes, you are.
The bag?
First of all, cooperate with the police
Right now.
I understand all these stuff.
And I paid for this lighting. We know.
You better sit down, Aqua. Sit down.
I don't have anything. I'm naked. So what are y'all talking about?
The gray sweater and then everything that's in her bag. Oh yeah,
So why you brought me in
stuff.
here?
Because you're the one that put the gray sweater on and handed it to her.
I took the gray sweater off. Y'all can run the cameras back. I took it off and I put it right there. She picked it up.
What's in the bag? What did they conceal?
Cosmetics, there's a forward camera and
Who, me?
Cosmetics. Oh, okay. Because I didn't conceal anything.
Me? Cosmetics? I didn't do that.
I handed it off to my phone. You guys, the lady at the register. So you have it on your phone then? Yeah, but this not the phone that it was printed to. It's a 693 number. You could go to your register and check it. This is a
Of course not.
453 number. I have 2
Big
receipts.
lighter in
I
the
can't.
purse, which is the big lighter in the
I
purse.
can't.
It's not this phone that I have. No, Jorge, it's a secret phone.
I wasn't even called inside here, but this is my daughter. She's underage. She's 17.
Okay. So here's
this is my daughter also.
Okay, so here's the reason why she's in here as well. She was over there selecting the camera, the Polaroid camera and stuff, and when she was selecting it, she gave it to her. They were all walking around together when she was taking the spider wrap off. They were in front of her taking the spider wrap off.
Who's they?
And then she goes
They were
over there
watching.
to the apparel department and starts concealing the stuff. So that's why she's in here too, because she selected everything and was giving it to her. Where's the other bag?
I don't have no other bag. My stuff already.
And I think mom knew. Come on.
So this is everything that's matching for this. This is what she was selecting for her to conceal.
I didn't. And I got cash back.
It's all
Both times.
And then this is what she started to conceal over there. So we'll get a receipt for all of this, and then we'll figure out about your sweater.
Okay.
This is the sweater right here, thank you. And the lighters.
I love how after they get caught, they can always pay for it. I got money. I can pay for it. Now?
21403. And then, did you pull it up for the cardigan that she has on,
I
Jessica?
paid for this. You guys already have stuff checked.
I'm asking her to pull up the receipt.
I identify as somebody who paid for it.
Okay, so she's an adult. Excuse me. What's your name? What's your name?
Aqua.
Can you spell that for me? Just want to make sure this is accurate, correct? Is anything that you're telling me at this point, if it's false information, can be a charge, okay? Just letting you know. Do you have a driver's license already? Not at all? You don't have one issued anywhere?
I have secondhand embarrassment for them. It's just so pathetic.
No, but I heard over here for you party. You know what I'm saying?
I thought I could steal from here.
We on vacation. Like, I really apologize on behalf of my kids.
I got you. So, unfortunately, my hands are kind of tied at a certain point.
Why are you stealing on freaking vacation?
Right, so it's, well, number one, it's do they want to prosecute? If they want to prosecute, then I have to find all this stuff. I have to call the district attorney, see if they want to take charges.
So there's no way that I can settle and just pay for this? Well,
That's up to them, that's not me.
We're on vacation. We thought it wouldn't be a big deal to steal from the state.
But there's a misunderstanding. You pay for these things.
Yeah, misunderstanding. You thought you could steal. Turns out you can't.
So, what's the story with that?
She said that she told the lady to put it on there, but it's not on there. Paper though.
This is her
And I had an extra.
My question is, what are we determining as stolen? Just this stuff?
And then she would have told from her photo.
How much is that?
It's $16.98.
Okay, how much was...
She knew the price. $16.98.
That's going to be up to you guys. I mean, this stuff is pretty much a no-brainer. It was all concealed.
So the employee said that when she told her they didn't have no barcode. So the employee asked her would she would like to go back to the department and get it. She said no, that she had, and then she asked her about this one. She said that she paid this the last time that she came to the store.
Okay.
No, she never asked me nothing.
But you on vacation. Your first time here.
She wanted to go back to get it because she asked her how much it was. She said around $16, $19.
$16.98. She knew the price.
She took it off.
So I'm taking Class C on that one, and then I'll call the district attorney on the other one.
Going to jail for a freaking cardigan. Are you happy? Turquoise? Are ya?
Yes, ma'am. This is Officer Gilbert with the Humble PD. I have a theft for you. We were dispatched to Walmart in reference to 4 black females. They said that...
Yeah, Walmart is definitely pressing charges.
We made scene. They went through self-checkout. They did not pay for anything that was been concealed in the bag, and one of them walked out with like a cardigan without paying for it. So all the items were held by one person. When the items were concealed, either somebody was standing next to her and they did not appear to be paying attention, in my opinion, or she was by herself. Now, some of these items were handed to her by one of the other people, but she was the one that concealed them and carried them past all points of sale. I would just put it on the one that had everything on her person, that had everything concealed. It's $214.03.
Wow, so just one girl's gonna get it. That's crazy.
Ran a CCH. I don't think they're not from Texas. They're here on vacation. Negative CCH is what they're telling me. I'm sorry? All right, what's your name? I can't hear you. And you're accepting theft on the one. Thank you.
You going to jail?
The district attorney did accept charges. Go ahead and stand up for me. And turn around.
Oh, Aqua. Why, Aqua? Why?
How do I get her?
I had such hopes for you.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's going to happen is she's going to be transported to the Humboldt jail. I'll have to send the charges to the DA. Once they get to it, it can take anywhere from 6 to 12 hours to do, though. Okay, so now if she doesn't have any history and all that, if she qualifies for a like $100 bond,
She hasn't been caught before.
she qualifies for what's called a two-trip. Okay, it's kind of an involved process. It involves going downtown, paying the bond, which is like $100, and some like a $15 surcharge or whatever. They will give you a piece of paper. You bring it to the Humboldt jail. She signs it. You get a thumbprint. You have to take it back downtown, and they will give you a release paperwork. Then you come back to the Humboldt jail, and then I release her there at that point. But for any reason, be it history or whatever, they deny, then she will have to be transported downtown, and she'll have to see a judge before bond is set.
Okay, and how soon is, like, how
Like
does
I
that
said,
work?
this can take anywhere. Well, if it's denied, like I
Like, don't inconvenience me, officer.
it can take 6 to 8 hours before we'll know that, and then she'll get transferred.
We're going to target next to steal, so please make this fast.
Her timetable is down there.
Okay, and can she make calls to out-of-state number?
I would imagine so. But yeah, we'll grab her cell phone. Yeah, we'll take her cell phone. That way she can call you from at least the Humboldt jail.
The girl in the gray is like, ooh, I got off easy. Because I was the one actually stealing.
Get you back.
You should want female custody. Okay, go ahead.
Embarrassing.
All right, Ms. Jones. What's going to happen today is you're going to receive a citation for theft under $100. Okay, sign the citation. It's not admission of guilt or innocence. You just state that you understand you're being cited for, that you have to contact or appear before the court, which is the City of Humboldt Municipal Court. Phone number and address is going to be on the citation.
Why do I have to come to court? You can pay it before then.
Yeah, you can handle it before then. If you want to handle it before then,
You gotta handle it before then. You gotta.
well, basically, the thing is, if you don't handle it before then, you do have to appear on that day. If you want to handle it before then,
Yeah, because I gotta be in St. Thomas.
yeah, that's all that information's here. You can contact the court and kind of they're
I plan on stealing in a different state, so I can't stay on.
going to be completely up to you. So go ahead and give me a signature right there on the X.
Okay, I have a question. Because some guys.
As long as there's no yelling or problems or drama or anything like that, I don't have a problem with that. Okay?
Can I get the paper?
Can you get what?
The paper?
Oh yeah, I'll give you your copy.
Thank you.
Foolish, foolish, foolish girls. Have fun on your road trip.
How long is it gonna take y'all to book her?
Well, like I told your mom, it's going to be before the charges come back. It could be 6 to 8 hours before we know more.
You do the crime, you do the time. It's crazy because I guarantee you that all four of them, including Mama, were definitely stealing or at least helping to steal or helping to hide what the others were doing. This was definitely a group activity. I do not believe that it was just one person, but because she was the one that actually had the stolen items in her purse that they were giving to her to hide, she goes to jail. Which I think is crazy because if you see on camera the girl in gray, her sister, giving her items, and that means that she was participating as well, and I would think that that would be enough to also get her in trouble because the proof is in the pudding, right? It's on video. But I guess to make things fast and easy, they were like, let's just, you know, get the girl that actually had the items on the purse because it's easier that way. And maybe there's more paperwork. I don't know. But I think it's crazy that all three of them were definitely involved. I don't know if Mom knew. Maybe she did. Maybe she did. I find it hard to believe that she didn't, only because if you're shopping around a store with 3 other people, you notice what they're doing, right? Like you can't be that like blind to what's happening around you that you don't see them putting things in their purse or whispering or doing, you know, weird stuff. So yeah, she definitely was acting like she was too calm for my liking. If it was me and my child was being, you know, questioned for stealing, I would be panicking. I'll be like, oh my God, what did you do? But she was like, like almost like this is what they do all the time. Oops, we got caught this time. And why is it always on vacation? Every time I watch these videos, it's always, oh my God, we're on vacation. Can you be lenient? We have to sign out of our hotel in like 20 minutes. Like, who goes on vacation to steal in a different city or state? Like, why? Anyway, guys, let me know in the comments down below what you think of this video. Would you ever be dumb enough to steal, especially from Walmart with 5,000 cameras on every angle? Would you? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoy my content, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when I post a brand new video. Until next time, peace.